Hello and welcome to the second match in the quarterfinals of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between St. Hughs Preparatory from St. Andrew up against Meadowbrook Preparatory, also from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Meadowbrook Prep won. They decided to play first, so Meadowbrook Prep, we begin section 1 with you. Bible knowledge. Who purchased a field called Aceldama with pieces of silver?
Judas.
That's correct. St. Hugh's Bible knowledge. What was the name of the place in the Bible with the literal meaning place of the skull?
The Valley of Dry Bones.
That's incorrect. It's Golgotha. Meadowbrook Science. What's used to purify water at a water treatment plant?
Chlorine.
That's right. St. Hugh's Science. What specifically does chlorine do when added to untreated water?
Dissolves all the impurities. Dissolves all the impurities.
That's incorrect. It kills germs. Meadowbrook Jamaican Affairs. It's a visual question for you. Team, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andrew Hilton.
That's incorrect. He's Senator Cavan Gale. St. Hugh's Jamaican Affairs. Visual for you as well. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
David Noel.
That's incorrect. It's Senator Aubin Hill. Meadowbrook English language. Complete the proverb. The grass is always greener.
On the other side.
On the other side.
Or on the other side of the hill. That's correct. St. Hugh's English language. Complete the proverb. You can lead a horse to water.
But you cannot make it drink. But you cannot make it drink. But you cannot make it drink.
That's correct. Meadowbrook Television. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Jimmy Jonas.
That's incorrect. It's Carter Jenkins. St. Hugh's Television. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Jay-Z.
That's incorrect. It's Keith Powers. Meadowbrook General Knowledge. Carricow Museum and Laura Herb and Spice Garden are popular sites in which Caribbean country?
Barbados.
That's incorrect. It's Grenada. St. Hugh's General Knowledge. Anse Chastenet is a popular site in which Caribbean country?
Guyana.
That's incorrect. It's St. Lucia. Meadowbrook Social Studies. Grange Hill is a settlement in which Western Jamaican parish?
Westmoreland.
Westmoreland is correct. St. Hugh's Social Studies. Green Island is a town in which Western Jamaican parish?
Hanover.
That's correct. Meadowbrook Music. The demi-semi-quaver is another name for which musical note?
30-second note.
That's correct. St. Hugh's Music. What's another name for the 1/8 note?
Semi-quaver.
That's judges. What came first? It's incorrect. The correct answer is quaver. Mathematics for Meadowbrook. What's the value of x if 4x plus 3x equals 42?
6.
That's correct. St. Hugh's Mathematics. What's the value of y if 7y minus 3y equals 32?
8.
8 is right. Meadowbrook Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Stefan
John.
That's incorrect. Former Jamaican Olympian Grace Jackson. St. Hugh's Sports, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Juby McAnuff.
That's incorrect. It's Wade Van Dekerk, former Jamaican. Dekerk, sorry. Lee Kirk, the former Jamaican athlete. Now I see that the bell has rung, the time is up, and we have Meadowbrook Prep on 6 points, St. Hughs Prep on 3 points as we finish out section 1. Now before we go, and just to note, it's actually a South African athlete that was just shown. Now before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, during study and homework time, allow yourself to check your phone only once per hour. Get off Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, and other distractions. Save them for when you are relaxing. Stay with us. TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2017 continues after this.